Some kitchen gadgets look impressive for 5 seconds, then disappear into a drawer. The ones in this video have a different job, earn their space on your counter. We are looking at 20 smart and innovative kitchen gadgets on Amazon for 2026 that solve real kitchen problems, speed up daily routines, and make cooking feel cleaner, sharper, and more controlled. When one of them makes you think you would actually use it, give the video a like, comment the gadget that caught your attention, and subscribe for more. Loose leaf tea should feel calm, not like a tiny cleanup project. The Zens one-touch glass tea maker turns the whole ritual into something cleaner and more controlled. Add the tea, pour hot water, let the flavor open, then press once and watch it flow into the insulated mug below. The built-in stainless steel filter keeps the leaves where they belong, while the glass body and dragon case make it feel gift-ready. A refined little tea upgrade for $38.99. A dull knife does not just slow you down, it makes every cut feel uncertain. The McCook 15-piece knife block set brings that clean, confident feeling back to the counter with German stainless steel blades, balanced handles, and a full range for slicing, chopping, trimming, and serving. The built-in sharpener is the quiet advantage here, because every time a knife goes back into the block, it is ready for the next meal. Tomatoes slice cleaner, prep feels faster, and the whole station looks more organized, not improvised. For anyone building a sharper kitchen in 2026, this is the kind of upgrade that changes the rhythm of cooking at home every single day for $125.99. Fresh pasta has a way of making dinner feel planned, even when the day was not. The Philips Viva compact pasta and noodle maker takes one of the most intimidating kitchen rituals and turns it into a fast, satisfying countertop moment. Add your ingredients, choose spaghetti, penne, or fettuccine, and in about 18 minutes, the machine kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings with that homemade texture people usually expect after much more work. You can keep it classic or add egg, herbs, spinach, or carrot juice to make each batch feel personal. Because the discs store inside the machine and the footprint stays small, it earns a real place in a modern kitchen. A fresh pasta upgrade that feels special every time right at home, ending at $229.99. Hosting gets stressful when every dish finishes at a different time. The Sunvivi triple slow cooker turns one counter spot into a small buffet station with 3 separate ceramic pots for mains, sides, sauces, dips, or desserts. Each pot has its own heat control, so one dish can cook while another stays warm and ready to serve. The lid rests and spoon notches keep the table cleaner, while removable pots make cleanup feel manageable after everyone eats. For parties, holidays, game nights, family dinners at home, it gives you that organized host feeling for $99.56. Chopping vegetables should not feel like the slowest part of dinner. This adjustable handheld Mandoline slicer helps turn carrots, onions, apples, cucumbers, and potatoes into clean, even cuts with 3 thickness settings and a stainless steel blade. The comfort grip keeps it steady. The food holder protects your fingers, and the groove can rest over a bowl so slices land where you need them. It is compact enough for a drawer, quick to rinse, and includes a peeler for extra prep. A small tool that makes everyday plates look sharper for $10.98 without taking over space. Some kitchens collect machines until the counter starts working against you. The Nutribullet triple prep system takes the opposite approach, using one base for full-size blending, single-serve smoothies, and real food processing. Set the pitcher, cup, or processor bowl in place, and the base recognizes the attachment, lighting up the commands that match the task. Smoothies turn silky, soups and purees blend hot with a vented lid, and the processor handles chopping, shredding, slicing, dicing, even dough in its 7-cup bowl. The attachments store cleaner than a pile of separate appliances, and the dishwasher-safe pieces keep the routine practical after the recipe is done. It feels like a smarter command center for anyone who wants faster prep, fewer tools, and a kitchen that looks more in control, without making dinner feel like a project and cleanup feel heavy. As a 3-in-1 upgrade that can actually replace clutter, it lands at $179.99. Bread has a different kind of power when it comes out of your own oven. The Superbaking Banneton Proofing Basket Kit turns sourdough into a ritual you can enjoy, with a 9-inch natural rattan basket, liner, tools, guide, and recipe book to help shape that first loaf. As the dough rests, the basket supports the rise and leaves that classic spiral pattern that makes homemade bread look bakery-worthy. It is made for beginners who want confidence and for bakers who care about texture, shape, and presentation. There is also something quietly rewarding about slicing bread you made yourself and placing it on the table while the kitchen still smells so warm. A small baking kit with a lot of emotional payoff at $19.97. Some recipes ask for confidence before ingredients. The imarku 7-inch cleaver knife brings that grounded control to the board, with Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, a wide blade, and a balanced pakka wood handle. It can chop meat, slice vegetables, mince aromatics, and move through daily prep with a clean, steady rhythm. The sharper edge and solid grip make the kitchen feel more serious, more capable, and better equipped. A gift-ready upgrade for home cooks who want presence and precision, priced at $45.99. Small kitchen frustrations add up quickly when a can will not open cleanly, the lid drops into the food, or the counter turns messy before dinner starts. The Amazon Basics 3-in-1 electric can opener brings a cleaner routine to an overlooked task in the kitchen. Its stainless steel blade cuts standard cans smoothly, while the magnetic lid holder lifts the top away so there is less mess and less guessing. The wide non-slip base keeps the unit steady, and the automatic stop helps the process feel controlled instead of awkward. It also includes a bottle opener and knife sharpener, which makes it more useful than a single-purpose appliance sitting in the corner. The black design blends into a modern counter without calling too much attention, but the convenience is noticeable the first time you use it. For anyone who wants a kitchen that feels faster, safer, and more prepared for daily cooking, this compact upgrade makes a simple task feel handled for $16.54. Tea feels more intentional when you can watch it bloom in clear glass. The Cnglass 900ml teapot brings loose leaf and flowering teas to the table with a removable stainless steel infuser, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, and a clean pouring spout that keeps the moment neat. Use it on the stovetop, serve 2 to 4 cups, then detach the pieces for easy cleaning. It looks calm on a desk, elegant on a tray, and gift ready for tea lovers at $29.99. A snack board changes the whole mood of a table when it looks intentional. The BlauKe bamboo cheese board gives you that polished hosting moment in a compact 14-inch round design. Open it up, add cheeses, fruit, crackers, meats, sushi, tacos, or small bites, and suddenly a casual visit feels like something prepared with taste. The natural bamboo surface looks warm and clean, while the hidden slide-out drawer keeps the cheese knives tucked away until the moment you need them. It works for date nights, picnics, small gatherings, and gift tables, where real presentation matters. Instead of serving food piece by piece, you create a centerpiece people gather around, and that little upgrade arrives for $35.99. A single pan can change dinner when it gives you room to cook the whole meal. The Presto 16-inch electric foldaway skillet brings roasting, frying, grilling, stewing, baking, and casseroles into one wide countertop cooker with high sidewalls and steady automatic heat control. The ceramic nonstick surface helps food release cleanly, while the tempered glass lid lets you watch the meal come together without lifting the cover every few minutes. When company arrives, the same pan can sit on the table as a warm buffet server, keeping food ready without crowding the stove. Then the handles fold down, the base detaches, and everything stores compactly instead of taking over a cabinet. It feels like a practical upgrade for busy homes that need more cooking space, faster serving, and less cleanup after the meal. That kind of everyday control comes in at $89.99. Tiny prep tasks can steal more energy than you expect. The Newness. Whizzy Whisk brings a clever manual spin to mixing, beating, frothing, and stirring, using a push mechanism that rotates as you press and reverses as it lifts. No batteries, no outlet, just stainless steel movement that feels quick, controlled, and satisfying in the hand. Use it for eggs, cream, sauces, dressings, hot chocolate, or small dessert mixes when pulling out a full appliance feels unnecessary. It rinses clean, fits most containers, and gives everyday prep a faster rhythm without adding clutter to the drawer. A small kitchen tool with surprising motion and real daily use, priced at $14.99. Opening a bottle at the table should feel smooth, not awkward. The Rabbit automatic electric corkscrew gives adult hosting a cleaner, more polished touch with cordless rechargeable operation in a sleek, shiny black finish. Place it over the cork and the opener starts on contact, removes it automatically, then ejects it without twisting or pulling by hand. The built-in foil cutter keeps the setup neat, and one charge can handle more than 30 bottles for gatherings, dinners, or gift occasions. For anyone who enjoys refined table presentation, this compact hosting upgrade comes in at $49.99. Onion prep is the part of cooking that nobody misses when it gets faster. The Geedel manual food chopper turns those tiny repetitive cuts into a quick slap and chop motion, giving you diced onions, garlic, nuts, herbs, eggs, tuna, or salad toppings in seconds. Instead of chasing pieces across the cutting board or putting your fingers near a blade, the chopping happens inside a controlled chamber that feels safer and cleaner. Use it on the included base or directly over your board, then take it apart and rinse the pieces under running water when prep is done. The stainless steel blades bring speed, but the real appeal is how much calmer the counter feels when seasoning, snacks, and small batches stop becoming a mess. For busy kitchens, quick lunches, taco nights, sauces, dressings, and anyone who cooks often but hates dragging out bigger tools, This red chopper earns its drawer space fast. A compact prep shortcut with steady daily value, priced at $21.97. The final touch can make a simple plate feel like it came out of a better kitchen. The Zyliss Classic Rotary Cheese Grater gives you that fresh grated finish without dragging a box grater across the counter. Load hard cheese, chocolate, or nuts into the drum, turn the handle, and you get a clean shower of texture right over pasta, salads, soups, desserts, or roasted vegetables. The comfortable grip keeps the motion steady. The non-slip knob gives better control, and the design works for left or right-handed cooks. When dinner is moving fast, it folds down for compact storage and comes apart so cleanup does not become the part you avoid. It is also NSF restaurant certified, which gives it a more serious feel than the average handheld grater. For home cooks who care about that last layer of flavor and presentation, this is the kind of small tool that makes food look more finished, more generous, and more intentional at the table with very little space for $21.20. Cold meals hit differently when your day keeps moving. This heated lunchbox food warmer turns your car, van, or truck into a quiet meal station, using a 12 or 24-volt plug to warm leftovers, fresh meals, or prepared containers while you work, travel, or wait between stops. Automatic temperature control keeps food heated evenly without drying it out, and the insulated bag carries with a handle or shoulder strap. It fits glass, plastic, foil, steel, and cardboard containers, giving road meals a cleaner, calmer, more reliable daily upgrade for $29.99. Some kitchens do not have space for a full setup, but they still need real meals. The Bare Hot Pot electric cooker turns a small counter, dorm room, office corner, or picnic table into a compact cooking station with 2 liters of room and dual power control. Use the lower setting for oatmeal, soup, noodles, or gentle heating, then switch higher when you want faster cooking for steak, eggs, pasta, or a quick ramen night that feels more satisfying than takeout. The non-stick ceramic coating helps food release cleanly, and the removable cord makes it easier to carry, store, and serve without dragging a bulky appliance around. What makes it useful is not only the size, but the freedom it gives you when the stove is limited, shared, or busy. For 1 to 3 people, it can handle late meals, simple lunches, small gatherings, and nights when cooking needs to feel fast but still intentional. It is also a smart gift for anyone starting a new space and building a kitchen piece by piece. A portable cooker that brings more control to small spaces, closing at $36.99. Homemade dough sounds romantic until your wrists are tired, counter is covered in flour, and timing feels like guesswork. The Joydeem electric dough maker brings structure to that process, using programmed mixing and fermenting to handle bread, pizza, buns, and dumpling dough with steadier rhythm. The stainless steel bowl gives capacity for family baking, while the touch panel lets you choose the right mode and let the machine knead, pause, and work the dough in a way that feels like patient hand mixing. In about 15 minutes, it can finish kneading, and with proofing, it can take the dough closer to baking in about 45 minutes. The removable top lets you add ingredients as it works, and the quieter vertical design helps it sit neatly in a kitchen instead of taking over the room. What it really gives you is real confidence, especially when baking feels unpredictable. Fresh bread nights, pizza dough, and weekend batches become easier to repeat, cleaner to manage, and more satisfying to serve. A serious baking upgrade with daily value, closing at $119. Big tables can turn serving into a quiet interruption, with people reaching, passing plates, and stopping conversation every few seconds. The Lazy Susan revolution changes that rhythm with an expandable turntable made for rectangular and oval dining tables. Set it up in minutes, place dishes across heat-resistant non-slip trays, and everyone can serve themselves with a simple spin. It keeps meals moving, makes gatherings feel relaxed, and stores in its box when the table is cleared. A smarter hosting upgrade for family dinners and parties, priced at $109.98.